Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be playing Animal Company with the special Billy. Hello Billy.
Oh yeah, bro, we got fucking OG Animal Company.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
he's
bro,
new to this kind of
nostalgia
stuff.
is crazy, bro.
I know,
Nostalgia.
it's crazy nostalgia. He never really played. I'm gonna teach him. Oh my god, Billy! What the frick? I'm taking this then. Yeah. Have your flashlight back. Alright, we're gonna be exploring and trying to get money.
Bro, the OG chicken, I just remembered.
Yeah. Alright, everything's OG, basically. So,
OG chicken. No, wrong way.
yeah, let's not go there. Not just yet.
Where the OG chicken is.
Why are you crashing out so much about a chicken?
Because, bro, the nostalgia, bro.
I wonder if Ogre is in this version.
Maybe.
Wait, this is the Ogre map. I remember playing here. Ogre came out. I'm really sure. Or maybe it came out afterwards. Please tell me this Ogre.
I'm gonna suck on the ogre's toes if he comes near me. The chicken!
The chicken area. Alexander, wait. This is like...
Is he here? He's here, bro.
I mean, why wouldn't he be? Chicken!
Please,
Chicken jockey!
Please,
Alright, Alexander, gather your stuff. I mean, you don't have a back here, Brokey. But this stupid fat ass chicken, I swear to God, if you go near me.
Billy, bro!
Alexander! You're so freaking dumb. Don't come near me, chicken. Snatch. Don't come near me, chicken. Billy's gone. I have no one.
Oh, God.
Billy, do you copy?
It's this place.
I know this knowledge. Oh my God, holy son. Okay, Billy, just come here. This is a code red right now. I got items. We gotta run.
My booty goes jiggle. When I fart on your booty. My booty goes jiggle.
Billy, what are you doing?
On your booty. My booty goes jiggle. When I fart on your booty. My booty.
All right, I'm leaving without you.
When I fart on your booty.
Oh, okay, Alexander. You might need to stay beside me. Up there, it's very dark.
Hell no.
Stay beside me.
I don't like you, dear.
Nobody does, okay? But we gotta do.
Isn't this the haunted
You hear
mansion,
this?
bro? Do you
Haunted
have to go?
mansion's not in here.
Oh my God, bro.
Don't move.
There it is.
I swear to fucking God, if you move.
The beautiful place.
I know. Not when you get murdered. Don't move. Crippled. Like you. Alright, go. Just run through the... Here.
Where are we? Oh, is Haunted Mansion not in this?
Nope. Bro, this is like the second update.
Maybe
Right,
this
where
is
are we?
No idea, but I don't like that sound, and I don't
I'm going
like
up here.
this sound.
Oh, boombox!
Oh, no, give me that.
No, I need to put it in my bag so we can sell it. I think we're supposed to go... Yeah, we're not, definitely.
Where are we going?
Wait, are we?
Cripple.
Alexander, I don't think there's any more. To this place, at least. I have no idea where we are.
You can... What? I never said anything. Come on, bro, you got that. I got crippled like a bill.
So fucking stupid. I don't know where bro went. I'm gonna go back to spawn now. Billy? I'm not spawn, Billy.
bro.
Put it back in. It's not even playing. Okay, throw it in now.
Alaska, bye.
I almost sold you. That's why you should have moved out of the way. See how much money we got. Oh, so. Hey, let's go.
Oh my god!
Bro, he's still vibing. Alexander, show the people your moves. Alright, Alexander. I know your name is Billy, but you're actually Alexander, in my opinion. See, Alexander, this thing does not sell. Yeah, this thing does not sell. Alexander, come back. Come back, Alexander. No, Alexander, you're so freaking stupid. You're so clapped. Now grab a bag. It's fine, we can get more stuff. We can sell. So, we're gonna go to sewers now. Cause why not? Alright, let's go.
Never heard anything.
No, Alexander.
Oh no, watch out for the landmine.
Yeah, oh my god. Wait, Alexander, before you go, come here.
Whoa, she remembers the entrance.
Who remembers it being here? Where did it go?
No idea.
Oh, I don't think it's here. Wait a minute.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, what the hell? Bro, I've been looking forward for this. That sucks. Alexander? What do you keep on fall? I don't know where we have to go. Okay. Yeah. I'm guessing there has to be somewhere else that we can go. Right? Is there a lake? Bro, lake is not here. This is so old. Wait, Alexander, what is that?
I don't know, but I'm going.
Alright, bet. Me too.
Get up. Nothing.
Wow, there's nothing up there.
Oh, trip. Ah!
Finger slip. Alright, let's go.
Come on, trip. Ah!
Hey, you took my bag!
Never see me again.
Give me my bag! Alexander, please. Don't throw away. Come on, I don't have the bag now. Alexander, give it back. Alexander, just give it back. You're trying to do the easiest one. Give it. I have $7. $11. Don't do it with me. It's people. That's embarrassing. Just drop the bag. Just drop the bag. What are you doing? I swear to God, you're doing. You can't even walk. Oh, thank you. Now, as I was saying.
That was the wrong bag. I got both the flashlights in here.
Oh, okay. I don't care. Have my flashlight. I don't want it. Where else is there to go?
Cripple like a gyro.
Where do we go, Alexander?
And maybe to I don't know.
Wait. Okay, this is like the only place to go. So let's go. By the way, guys, next time we're going to be doing the oldest Animal Company update. So stay tuned for that. And smash like. Shouldn't they smash like, Billy?
If you let me twerk.
Oh, come on, fine. If Billy twerks, will you like?
My booty goes jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Oh my God.
My booty goes jiggle, jiggle.
I was about to slap that thing off.
Jiggle. I'm about to go.
Wait, okay, Alexander. We gotta go here. Can I have my flashlight back? This place is dark.
Oh, it's too strong, man. Doesn't matter.
Flashbang. Crippled. Oh my god, his legs.
Yeah.
Crippled. I'm crippled.
Did you die?
I did not, but run. Alexander. Alexander, where are you? Alexander? Alexander? Oh, loot. Where the heck am I? Hello? Oh, crippled. Oh, my crippled.
Bro, you keep dying. Cripple.
Alexander, I got loot. I got loot.
Well, how did you come from there?
I found the like teleport thing. Wait, I need to pour it out. Don't take it, Alexander. Please, let me see.
Cripple.
Get on the side! Oh, I got money. I don't care about this kid anymore. He still has it. Wait a minute. Alexander, I still got money, but I'm confused. The items are still there, but I still got money. Sell again.
Wait, I think I have to be in here.
Infinite money glitch, guys.
I think I had to be in there if I'd done that, but...
Anyways, this is the end of the video. Sorry that was short, but... Billy.
Oh my god, it's here!
Sell. Bro, infinite money. Wait, hold it, Alexander, hold it. No, booty. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. By the way, this isn't the end though. Like, I'll still make a couple skits in all Animal Company, so I don't leave you in the dust. Alexander, before we go, what would you like to say?
Cripple like a jipple.
Wait, Alexander,
Like and
guess what?
subscribe.
Yeah, thanks you. English. Okay, Alexander, by the way, there's infinite booty shaking boopies in there. If you want them.
Oh no. Where?
Oh, hell no. I'm sorry! Alexander, can I show you something?
Come here.
Okay, guys, I'm not ending the video just yet. Crippled! Crippled! Oh yeah, we're in safe zone, I forgot. Get crippled!
Why would you do that?
I know.